Perhaps.
God, I got 3 in the frame in the video here. There's another one over here.
Which side? I see one. Okay.
They're all over in there. That is so neat. There's another one. Oh, Lord.
Are you shooting with auto?
Yeah. Right now I'm recording.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, I'm on. No, actually I'm on manual.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I hate auto.
Yeah. So I'm at like 5.6, ISO's 3200, and I'm 125th. And if you want to come watch this view right here on the screen, just sit here and watch them. They're zooming by and shit. How bright are you? Let's see. Oh, I'm way brighter, look.
Yeah. So.
What's your ISO at?
I don't even know.
Oh, set your ISO way up there. Get it up there. That's pretty damn cool, but that's slow. Yeah, these things are.
I see one coming in.
I'm stunned. They're right out here in the light. Look at that. That is just beautiful.
Stop.
No, they're not going to stop. You have to be quick enough to move with them.
Well, I'm going to change my emphasis.
Oh. Man, that is... Bringing out a studio light was a good choice. That's like... And there's actually 2 colors. I realize now the one that is on the bottom is a yellow that used to light up Piston Hawkins statue that I had in my pond in the front. And everybody would come by to laugh because...
There's 2 of you on the left, see it? On the bottom left?
Yeah. No? Oh yeah, down there, yeah. Oh, look at them, yeah, together. And just like that, they're gone. Well, that one came back. That is incredible. Are you getting good ones?
Yeah, I'm picking them up to violet.
Uh-huh. Did you bump your ISO up?
Well, I had to change it so I can get...
Damn, dude. That is incredible. Huh. Undaunted by the sirens down the block, these crazy bird moths are just...
You're gonna freak out when you see what I have.
They are
really
swarming. Oh, wow.
I kid you not.
Okay, well,
This is crazy.
I got video, dude. It's gonna be hard to beat that.
Like you can overlap these because I have my f-stop turned way down.
Oh, that's incredible.
Oh, wow.
Okay, this is the Mad Camera Guy. Thanks for watching.